Hello everybody, so we are again back with another video and we are going to analyze VeChain, which is also known as VET, on both USDT pair and BTC pair with technical analysis. So let's get into the video. So right now we have VeChain on the screen. You can see the same pattern like we have in USDT pairs, and this is making a big triangle kind of thing, okay, or you can say it as a let's make it a ascending triangle, okay, and it is going to pump, really sure, yeah, it is going to pump. And why I am making video on VET, because fundamentally it is a very good coin, and even it is there is indirect investment from Warren Buffett. How it is an indirect investment? BYD is a company, it is a Chinese automaker. It is a huge company, Chinese company, and Warren Buffett has invested a good amount of portion of its portfolio in BYD, and BYD is the parent company of VeChain, VET. Okay, so that is a huge deal, and fundamentally it is a really good coin, and technical also it is making a, yeah, it is a good clear cut ascending triangle, and it is a bullish triangle. What I think is it is not going to, if it gives you a retracement from here and supports this trend line, it is going to be really good buy. It is going to be the buy of this decade, okay, and stop loss would be below this low, and the targets are going to be, first target is going to be according to the ascending triangle, ascending the low, let me tell you what is the level of this low. It is 0.08157, so you can keep your stop loss at 0.078 years or 77, okay, and the first target would be the measurement according to this ascending triangle, which is, it is a sensible target, okay. It is targeting the previous ATH, okay, the weekly closing here, and it is also this height of this equal to the height of this ascending triangle. So the first target is going to be, where is the target? 0.25, okay, which is around more than 2x from the not from the current price. If it is to this trend line, and from here it is going to be more than 2x, and the second target, it is going to come, if we do this Fibonacci retracement, see, it is a really good resistance zone. 1618 comes here, the 2618 is 0.37, and the 3618 is at 0.49. okay, right now you're going to like, you're thinking there, why a target there are, if there is 4618, okay, there can be 5618, 6618, there are many 618, so you going to target all the 618s? Listen, when the euphoric mode is going to come, okay, this 618 doesn't work. Yeah, you heard it right, this 618 doesn't work. Why? When the euphoric mode comes, the price just pumps exponentially, but according to this Fibonacci, at least it gives us an idea way to take the profits. Okay, if it reaches 1618, we are going to take our profits. If it reaches to 2618, we are going to take another profit. Okay, so we are going to take a profit in portions. So that is the logic behind the 618. I know it is a Fibonacci level and there is theory behind it, it works, but on the basis of this profit taking method, I've told you that why we are using the 618s as a profit taking. It is not, hard and fast rule that you have to take the profit exact at the 600. You can take like we have what we have here. Also we have 1.270. You can take some of your profit here and some of your profit here. So that is the thing. And if we take the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, this is 1600 comes $0.4. The second target would be 0.36 to $0.4. Okay, the last final target, which I think this is the extended target. You're not going to get, it is very like next to impossible for VeChain to be $1. Well, for that you need a huge catalyst. That catalyst can be a kind of a trend, like we have metaverse, DeFi, NFT. Okay, these kind of mega trends, we need this kind of biggest trend for the VeChain. I don't know what other news can be there for VeChain which can pump it to $1. If it comes, then for sure it can go to $1. Like we have seen Shiba pumping almost 10-20x in the recent times, and even the Dogecoin has pumped like more. I think it is more than 100x from its price of 2-3 years back. Okay, so the conservative final target would be $0.5. This is going to be the end. I think, according to me, it should make it stop here at this zone. Why? Because it has already pumped so much. It has gone very parabolic here, and it has already pumped, huge. How much is the pump from the current? It's already almost 50x. It is going to be 100x here. So that is going to be the end of this pump. Okay, so if you are a VeChain lover or VT vet holder, then please hold a coin and add on this level, on this trend line. Wait, let me tell you the level, what level it is. It's around 0.114. okay, let's make it 0.12 to 0.115. okay, this is going to be your best entry in VeChain. And there is another scenario which is bullish, of course, that if it pumps from here, okay, and doesn't give you the retest which we are expecting. Okay, let me make it here. If it pumps from here and doesn't give you the retest which we are expecting, or retracement which we are expecting here to this trend line, if it pumps directly from here and retest it, then you can buy here, or you can buy at the pump also. And if it gives you retrace, then just do DCA to this level. Okay, that is a plan. Buy on the retest, you can, the stop loss would be this. No matter you buy here or buy here, the stop loss would be this, because this is the previous swing low. Okay, so just you can buy it and hold it, and it can give you really good return. The first target is, again I'm reminding you, is 0.25, then is 0.35 or 37, and the last is 0.45 to $0.5. okay, which is going to give you 3 to 4x return overall. And I would be glad if it makes me if it proves me wrong and goes to $1. But this kind of mimics that XRP going to $100, Shiba is going to $1. Don't think such questions. Okay, don't think about such questions. You need to be realistic. Take profits on the 1618 or 1.272 levels, Fibonacci levels, and just book your profit. If you look at the BTC pair, wow, it is really good chart. Why? Because it is hovering over on a biggest support of its life. See, it pumped from here, it dumped and closed above this level. Again it closed above this level. Again it dumped and closed above this level, and right now it is proceeding further. And if it breaks, I think Yeah, what the fuck is happening with me with my hand? Okay, and if it breaks this trend line, which I think it should, just look at this, how beautiful it is. On a major support, it is giving you a falling wedge. Okay, and this is going to be the game changer. The first target would be almost at 2 to 3x. Again, if it does 2 to 3x in BTC pair, then just be cautious. Okay, why? Because on the in the USDT pair, it is going to reach its final level of 3618, which I talked about, which is 0.4 to 0.5 level. Okay, make sure you take book profit here, please don't be greedy. And also, I'm bringing a video, a really helpful video, that when you're going to exit the crypto market. Okay, I will upload this week, hopefully, if my health stays in my favor. Okay, wait, yeah, this is going to be first target. The second target is 1200 Satoshi. The first target, okay, if you're a very conservative trader, then you can take your profit at 618 also, which is 440 Satoshi, which is a good return. Okay, which is around 2x. What the fuck is happening with the mouse clicks? Which is almost at 2x. 0.618. The second is 1618, which is 800 and around 800 Satoshi. The last one is 1200 Satoshi. And just keep in mind the 1000 Satoshi level is also a psychological level. So at 1000 you should book profit no matter what happens in the market, no matter the some aliens comes to our planet and says that we are going to buy VeChain. Okay, no matter what happens, just book a profit around 1000 Satoshi or below 1000 Satoshi. 800 Satoshi is a really good level, and the 1000 and 1200 Satoshi should be your exit. Okay, so that is the video for the VeChain. Hope you got your queries clear, and if you want any altcoin which I should make, if you like my analysis and you want that I should make a video on any altcoin, just comment down below, and please press the like button and share it with your friends, and also join our Telegram channel. It is not a scam, I'm not giving you a scam. Okay, I'm here in front of you. And yeah, we have a community group also where you can discuss about the coins and the projects and everything. And one more thing, follow me on Twitter also. I'm just having 250 followers. I'm underrated, so much underrated. Okay, just make me valuable, guys, just make me valuable. I'm so much underrated. Okay, so see you in the next video.